I be going through it on the low. I be trying to hide it. I be doing dirt on a hush. I be keeping quiet. I don't want to lose this shit. Mama can't afford that life. Pull out the McLaren for the day. Pull up in the Porsche at night trying to run away from. It's lit.
What's up, YouTube? We actually came across a nice one today. So this is actually right in the front when you come in the entrance, and I just walked past it like it was nothing. Got an 83 Delta 88 right here. And I just totally walked past it. I was so focused on that the old 77 Caprice that was here. I just walked right past this one. I mean, it's right in front. But this is pretty nice. Has like these nice mirrors. I need a little work, but you got like both mirrors. You got some side trim that people may be missing. I know the bottom trim is pretty hard to find, and it looks like it's pretty decent. This thing been here since October. It even has the switches. Now I'm pretty sure this is the exact same. It's not the same, but the interior of mine is from a Delta 88. Got the window switches right here, which I know the panels are the same, are interchangeable, so this should be interchangeable as well. And first time I've ever seen this for me. Has power seats. That's crazy. Someone took the steering column already. They took the they took the radio bezel, which is probably something I would have wanted. I'm guessing that's another mirror control. So I got a nice mirror up there. Headliner tacked up. Pillow tops. But that's crazy. I've never seen the power seats like that. It probably still works. But I'm really contemplating taking those switches. I feel like I gotta take them. If I don't take anything today, this could probably gonna be the switches and maybe the mirrors. So that might be the move today. Because it looked like someone started and then I don't think they knew what they were doing. They took the fenders and they took everything at the front. So they probably needed it for their own box. Because the 90 box still over there. But yeah, that might be the move. You got the Cadillac. And you got the 90 box. So like the panels down there, the trim, I don't know if it's dirty, if it's painted over. No, it's like paint or something. But yeah, some good cars there. It's like I have to circle around like 3 or 4 times the same area because I'd be missing stuff and I don't catch those things later until I watch the video and be like, man, I didn't even see that. But anyway, it's your boy Loco. Let's keep going. door panel off. I took the motor out of the window. I took the switches. I took the mirror. So I just took the whole switch, and then I took the window motor. I plug it up to my jump box and it runs fine. And then I took out the mirror. So now I just got to do the other side over there. I'm gonna take the mirror off there. I'll probably take those switches.